Okay, a couple more questions on circle theorems just to look at here. Now, this brings up, of course, the last theorem that we looked at, this idea, if you remember from here. Okay, we've got two ideas here. A tangent meets a radius at 90 degrees, and two tangents meeting at a point are equal in length. Okay, so you've got your tangent there, meets the radius at 90, tangent there meets the radius at 90, and then AC equals BC in length. So, same idea here. So here's your tangent here, and there's the radius. So this here is 90 degrees. Okay, same can be said in about OT, which is the radius, and then your tangent here, that's also 90 degrees. Okay, so it says now, part A, write down the size of OPR. So OPR, that angle there, of course, is 90 degrees. Okay, and the reason, it says the reason, you just simply say tangent and the radius, when they meet, okay, they meet at 90 degree angle. Okay, right, you can just put that down, that's perfect enough reason. Then it says which line in the diagram is equal to the length in length to PR. Give a reason for your answer. Now there's PR. Okay, PR there. Of course it's equal to that line there, isn't it? Okay, it's equal to RT. Okay, so that side there is equal to this side here. So RT, and it says give a reason. You just need to say two tangents. Okay, two tangents meeting at a point are equal in length. Okay. Alright. Then it says, given that PRT equals 42, find the size of PST. So PRT, that's 42. Find the angle PST. So PST, this angle here. Now it looks complicated, but actually it's really straightforward and simple. If you think about it now and watch this approach, there's nothing difficult about it, right? To get that angle, right, you're not going to get it out straight away. There's something else we need to work out. We can work out this to start with, okay? We can work out this, because if you think about it carefully and logically here, POTR, right? POTR, you've got a quadrilateral here, haven't you? Okay? It's actually a kite, if you think about it. It's a kite. And of course, whether it's a kite or anything, a quadrilateral, the angles will add up to 360. So we know that's 90, we know that's 90, we know that's 42. If we add them up, okay, comes to 222. Of course, the four angles must add up to 360, so we can see what's left. 360, take away 222, works out to be 138. Okay, when you work it out, it comes to 138. So that means this final angle in the quadrilateral is 138. And then, what's great about this is, we use the other theorem. Remember, the angle at the centre is double the angle at the circumference. So if that's 138, this is double this. So all you have to do is halve this. Just halve it. Right? So, you know, if this is in a calculator paper, you could just halve it in your calculator, couldn't you? Or if it's not, you could just do this way, the bus stop method. 2 into 1, well, doesn't go. 2 into 13 goes 6 times, the remainder 1. 2 into 18 goes 9 times. The answer is 69 degrees. Okay, question 7, same idea again. It says, given that BTC is 30, so they've said that here, find BAC. Okay, BAC will be this here, yeah? BAC. So exactly the same type of question again, right? You know this is 90. Tangent and a radius meet at 90. You know that's a 90. So just work out this angle here. Okay? Quadrilateral. Okay, the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so 90 and 90 plus the 30, that adds up to 210. So we can see then what's left. 360 take away 210 is 150 degrees. This is 150 degrees, which of course then that is double this. So this has got to be half of 150. So BAC will be 150 shared by 2. Comes out to be 75 degrees. Okay, one more. It says here, write down a line that is equal in length to AQ. So we're used to this now, aren't we? Of course, we're talking about the tangents. AQ equal to CQ, yeah? Okay, and the reason, of course, you just say as we said before, okay? Two tangents meeting at a point, so they meet at that point Q, don't they, the tangents do? Meeting at a point are equal in length. Okay, and then it says calculate the size of angle ABC, give a reason for your answer. So this angle here is ABC, isn't it? Yeah? That angle there is ABC. Now, you know, you might be thinking now, well, I know that's 90 there, yeah, tangent and the radius, 90, you might be thinking things like that, okay. We don't know that angle though, okay, they haven't told us that angle, so sometimes we have to use a different approach, alright. What's good is we know this angle at the centre, alright, so we maybe could use that idea of the angle being at the centre is double the angle at the edge, right? But be careful, please, right? Because you might be tempted to think, well, that's 140, so that's double this, okay? Which means that's got to be 70. Yeah, you might be thinking that, okay? Visually, it doesn't look 70, doesn't it? It looks a lot more than 70, and just be careful of not making a mistake when it comes to this theorem. I'll just remind you again of it. Okay, the angle at the centre is double the angle at the circumference, but if you notice here, the angle is, in this case, is underneath the point. It's underneath it, and so is the angle at the circumference. It's underneath, isn't it? Okay, it's the one underneath. You know, they haven't given me this angle, haven't they? Whereas in this case here, you know, if I was to turn it round, they've given me the angle above the point, haven't they? So if I work up the angle underneath the point, of course, that's a circle, isn't it? Adds up to 360. So if that's 140, that's going to be 220. Now that angle is under the point. So now we'll be able to work out this angle. Okay, so now this is the angle at the centre, double this angle. So that means if that's 220, this is going to be 110. Okay, so we'd say ABC, the 110 degrees. They ask for a reason, and you just say that reason. You just say, look, angle at the centre is double angle at the edge, angle at the circumference. Okay, so use any theorem that you have, write down any theorem that you have used, but also as well, putting information on the diagram will help you and help you to get marks as well. Okay?